This is a final video to fix the load game error in Baldur's Gate 3. Are you tired of seeing that annoying error every time you try to continue your adventure? This problem usually happens because the game fails to read your save files correctly or conflicts with recent updates. Many guides on YouTube and social media make it very complicated, showing long steps that confuse most players. But today on Rexist, I will share a secret trick that makes fixing this error simple and fast. You won't need to dive into complex files or settings. With just a few clicks, your game will load like nothing ever went wrong. If you want me to show the full step-by-step method, comment below and I will guide you through every part. Don't let this error stop your journey. Rexist has you covered.